Well, this recipe is going to show you how to make the spicy garlic and pepper jumbo black tiger prawn. This is one of Harry Kujima's favorite. This is the first dish that I make on TV about 25-30 years ago. But you know, with today, people into a low carb diet. So rather than rice, I use the zucchini. So I shred the zucchini almost like a linguine. So this way is no carb. For the keto diet, first I'm gonna cook this zucchini first. I add a little bit of oil. Now with this, you don't need to do a lot of it because all we're just gonna do is just gonna saute lightly. We're gonna season with a little bit of salt, season with pepper, and add a little bit of water or chicken stock. So depend if you're vegan that you're gonna plan to make vegetarian and you don't add any of these the chicken stock. You can use hot water. Now the good thing about this is it have the same texture as a pasta, and so people who you know gluten free, who allergic to wheat, to pasta, so this is perfect for you. So I'm just gonna use that as a base. So just like when you, this is your starch technically, and then for the shrimp, same thing. We use the oil. Now, if I use a small shrimp, I will add the garlic before the shrimp. But today the shrimp is pretty big size, so I'm gonna cook the shrimp before I add the garlic. So we're gonna cook the shrimp about 15 seconds on each side first. I mean, this is something that you can make at home. It's very simple. It doesn't take a lot of time. Now, once the shrimp cook about halfway, I want to add the garlic because I want to toast the garlic and give them a little bit of the aromatic. So again, this is depend of the size of your shrimp is how long you're supposed to cook it. Oh, but the smell is so good in here. Oops. Then we're gonna seasoning. The seasoning part is, this is again, it's a tricky part for if you are vegan or vegetarian, you substitute the shrimp with the tofu, the one that fried tofu, the firm one, and it's gonna come out exactly the same way. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper. This one, somehow, I like to use a lot of pepper. Then I add a little bit of liquid. The liquid will help steam and cook the shrimp. Very simple so far. It's very basic. All the ingredients should be in your home already. Then I add a little bit of onion. And then if you have I use fish sauce, or this recipe very good for soy sauce also. If you don't want to use fish sauce or soy sauce, you can just use the regular salt at all as well. Oh, it smells so good in here. And then you can tell if the shrimp is already cooked all the way, then we're just gonna add the cilantro. Cilantro smells so good in here. Once you add the cilantro, you don't want to continue cook too long because fresh herbs, when you cook it, you lose the aromatic. So you want to kind of just toss it in. So this is another dish that you can cook at home. Very healthy, very good for you, low carb, gluten free.